Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you what is the difference between envelope icon and the green balloon icon into your helpdesk ticket. Alright, so the short answer of this question is that the envelope icon comes when the ticket is created via email, and the green balloon icon comes when the ticket is created via the helpdesk widget. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate it to you so it will be easier to understand and see it. So let's go to a client's email, which in my case it is some testing email. However, let's consider to be the client's email. So we are now a client and write email to our helpdesk, which on our demo server is demo.redmineup.com. So we see, we are going to write a subject with name testing the email based ticket. Okay. So now let's go and create a ticket via the widget. Okay. So the subject could be ticket created via the widget based. Okay, so both tickets are now created, and let's go to our helpdesk and collect the emails. So we are done. This is the collected email from the email sending, and the widget is automatically received. Okay, so when you go to the tickets, we see that the both tickets are now appearing. Firstly, let's open the one that is email based. So we see the envelope icon here. It is showing to us that the email is created, the ticket is created via email, so it is email based. Okay, let's go and check the other one. So the other one has the green balloon icon, and this icon is showing to us that the ticket is created via the helpdesk widget. So this is the feature that I would like to show you in today's video demonstration, and I hope it was helpful for you and good for you for understanding this feature. And if you like it, you could check other videos and other articles from our helpdesk documentation. So thank you very much for watching this, and bye bye for now.